Hi, it's Rhonda. I'm here in my bedroom with 2 great movies and a menu of sensuous food. Next on USA Up All Night. Rhonda, and this is USA Up All Night. And tonight I'm coming to you from my most favorite place in the world, my bedroom. And we're going to be sampling sensuous food from around the world. You know, a lot of people probably think that bananas are the sexiest food around. And while they are seductive, I'll be showing you things that you can do with broccoli that you've never even dreamed of. And speaking of dreams, it's time to introduce 2 movies that you might find in a nightmare. Joy of Sex and Wimps. And our first movie, Wimps, the lead actors take sensuous eating to a new low. See what I mean? Here's Wimps on USA Up All Night.
I've had a lot of bad dates.
This woman was like belligerent and antagonistic.
I would never go on a date with this guy again.
She's out of control.
It was a date from hell.
I just met this guy. He was gorgeous and everything, and I really wanted to go out with him, but we ended up going to dinner. He's getting sick at dinner. I had to take him home. He ends up staying at my house for almost 4 days in my bed. I had to sleep on the floor, and I had to be nursed. I consider it a disaster. It was 4 days of my life that I lost. Oh well. But he was really cute.
I've got this neat little kiwi fruit. Now, you might not think that kiwi is sensuous, but have I got a surprise for you. Take the kiwi fruit, stick it in your mouth, and bite hard. Mmm. You get yourself up for more Wimps after these messages on USA Up All Night. Bursting. Hi, it's Rhonda, and you're watching USA Up All Night, the show that put the C in cleavage. I'm here in my bedroom sampling sensuous food from around the world. Next up is a sexy little macadamia nut. This is a crazy little nut, or nutty little nut. So, you grab a couple of nuts, but don't squeeze too tight. You don't want to break them. You put them in your mouth, and you roll them around slowly. But be careful not to gag on them. Then what I like to do is peel a banana. Stick it in my mouth with the nuts. And eat the whole pack of at once. Now, let's get back to Wimps, the movie that put the low and low budget on USA Up. All right. Now, I thought I'd take this opportunity to show you a couple of really big melons. Now get ready, because the last time I showed off these melons, the paparazzi really had a field day. Can you imagine anything more sensuous than these? Just imagine yourself taking a huge bite out of one of these, or both, if you like. And don't they resemble the color of a cucumber? Look how nicely the cucumber fits right in with them. I'm getting a little flushed. We better get back to the movie before I do something I'll regret. As USA Up All Night continues. Offensive. Then again, I guess if you're watching this show, I doubt the word offensive is even in your vocabulary. Broccoli. Yes, I said broccoli. What is so sexy about broccoli? I don't know. It's green. It tastes bad. And you always think about George Bush when you mention the word. And that would turn off anybody. So actually, broccoli is not sexy at all. The real sexy vegetable is coming up. Now, back to more high concept gone haywire on USA Up All Night. Well, how about applesauce makes you feel boss? If you put applesauce on your body, it'll make you feel really, really neat. Let's try. Together. It feels nice. I'd like to put it on other places too. I don't want to just rub it on my arm. What do you think? Should Rhonda put applesauce on her cleavage? Okay. Let's get back to more Wimps, and when we come back, I'll show you my fresh, not apple pie, here on USA Up, oops, All Night. But some people just make pigs of themselves.
More!
Talk about bad table manners. We'll return to more pranks and pratfalls as Wimps continues after these messages right here on USA Up All Night. A lot of people might like to sit down, take their shoes off, and soak their feet in a nice warm tub of water. But not me. I found there's nothing more sensuous than a nice warm tub of chocolate syrup. And the great thing is, after you've done soaking, you make a tasty after-dinner treat for your day. We return to more herds of nerds after these messages on USA Up All Night. There's nothing quite as sensuous as a big, long, hard, sticky, all-day sucker. Boy, your chops sure have to be in great shape to get through one of these. But then you know me. I'll be done in no time. Oh, let's get back to Wimps on USA Up All Night. Rhonda, you know, before we get back to more sensuous food, a lot of you are always writing me and are interested in different things in Rhonda's bedroom. Well, over here you can see that I have all of my favorite stuffed animals. And over there is my makeup mirror where I do my hair and makeup so I can look beautiful just for you. And then way over there in my closet, I have a family of gypsies living there. Well, you asked, so now you know. Back to Wimps on USA Up All Night. Oh, yes, it's so delicious, but there's something missing. Light? Oh, hi, it's Rhonda. I was just thinking about Snapple. My mom says the way to think about things is to list the pluses and minuses. So here are my Snapple lists. First, the pluses. Snapple's all natural, has no preservatives, has real fruit flavors, unique taste. Snapple has teas, fruit drinks, fruit juices, sodas, sports drinks. Everybody loves Snapple. Snapple has a nice label, pretty colors, and a cute bottle. Now the minuses. I can't decide which Snapple is my favorite. Snapple, made from the best stuff on earth, just like Rhonda. Hi, it's Rhonda. You know, I really have a bad tummy ache from eating all this food. The doctor told me the best thing to do is to take an antacid and crawl into bed. So, snuggle up and get ready for the conclusion of our movie, Wimps, on USA Up, Out, All Night. Wow, the movie is over and so is my stomachache. But the doctor said a girl who looks like me should spend as much time in bed as possible. Our second movie was supposed to put the joy back in sex. It's called Joy of Sex.
I like United States very much.
Doesn't look like there's much joy or sex. Now, here's Joy of Sex on USA Up All Night. And around you. See what I mean? We'll return to more happy hormones after these messages. Rhonda wants to hear from you. Write me, Rhonda, USA Up All Night. P.O. Box 5719, Beverly Hills, California, 90209-5719. Sure have changed since I went to high school. Kinky, huh? We'll be back with more Joy of Sex after these messages on USA Up All Night. Now, let's get back to more oversexed teens in tight jeans on USA Up All Night. Great philosophies. Let's see.
I haven't forgotten what it's like to be young and horny.
Wow, words to live by. We'll be back with more Joy of Sex after this on USA Up All Night. Hi, it's Rhonda. Tonight I'd like to give you the do's and don'ts of dating. Here's one of the don'ts. When flirting with a guy, never say,
Sit on it, pal.
come to think of it, that might be one of the do's. Now, here's more sexed up teenagers on USA Up All Night. I just love a happy, sappy ending, don't you? Well, our time has ended for this week. But stick around for our next movie, Bikini Car Wash. And let's get together again same time next week when we'll do something completely different all over again. Until then, remember, from the keeper of the Sizzle Kiss, if it's LA, it's Rhonda Up All Night. Nighty night.